not.
Hello, this is Adi. We are wearing same color of shirt. Currently, we were discussing random impromptu prompts on improving our articulacy. Our current topic was improving our communications for the interview part of MBA colleges and improving ourselves or preparing ourselves for the interview part. Okay, and Aditya said he used to record video diaries. So I thought let's do again just to capture this moment and have it in our memory part. So bro, please continue from here.
What should I say, bro? I was just saying that when I was preparing for CAT, I used to, I was thinking that how can I improve my English? How can I improve my communications better? So I was planning that I should record video diaries. What if I make video diaries, and it will be a better idea. I will select some topic, and initially I didn't thought of a topic to discuss on a topic.
So how you started speaking?
Initially, I started with documenting my whole day, like what I did, what I studied.
So the content creator game.
Yeah, but I wasn't publishing it somewhere. I was just making it for myself, just to know, just to track my progress, like what targets I had in a day, and what I achieved, what I couldn't achieve.
Yeah.
That was something that I wanted to do, and I did it for like a decent enough of time.
Bro, how much space in your phone you had?
There was a lot of. I had a memory card also of 64 GB.
The fuck, man.
It was filled with mostly movies. It was like 60, 70, 80% was filled with movies and series.
Great, bro.
But space was. I used to reduce the quality. Yeah, I didn't record it in high pixels. So
Well, next point is, what output did you made out of that time?
Wait. I thought of doing one more thing also.
What?
I thought like I had some like good friends online. Especially saying one friend. He was like he still is a very good friend of mine.
Yeah.
We met online. We haven't met yet. So I thought let's like why don't I join? Why don't I ask him for a help? And I said him bro, let's have like 30 minutes or to 1 hour of conversation daily in English.
That's what we are doing right now.
That's what we are doing right now. But I wanted to say it to him, but because the thing was I hadn't told anyone except for my parents. Nobody knew that I am preparing for CAT. Okay. So even one of my like closest friends didn't. So like.
So what's the point of secretly preparing for CAT?
So like I was thinking no. Point was very clear.
You continue, bro. You continue. I want to know the story.
Yeah. So I wanted to like. Then I started thinking like, what would be the reason that I would give him? He would definitely ask me, bro, why do you want to conversate in English?
Point. There is
but
point.
Because we used to conversate in English a lot of times, but that was very random. We used to discuss on movies. If there is a point, we used to discuss on pop culture a lot. So if there is a point that we can't articulate better in Hindi, then we used to speak that in English. But that was very random. Like in casual conversations, we use English a lot of times, right? So,
So the conversations were not completely purely in English. It was random to use English.
It was random to English. But if I say to him, bro, help me, and let's conversate in English for 1 hour or 30 minutes, whatever we talk, let's do that in English so that I can improve my English. So, but I didn't do that. I didn't ask him at that time. Time went by, and
And you didn't proceed with the plan.
I didn't proceed with the plan, bro. I thought, I am enough.
Well, still, how did you learn so much English? Like you are speaking pretty much good English in this video.
I don't feel like I'm speaking pretty much good English. I don't know the reason. A big credit goes to movies.
Movies.
Credit,
You watch English movies a lot.
I watch English movies. Initially, when I started, I didn't used to watch that in English.
Yeah.
Everyone doesn't know English. I also used to watch movies in Hindi dub. When I was a child, when watching with my father or watching it in a DVD format, I also used to watch that in Hindi dub movies. But when I got my personal phone, then also until like 6 months to 1 year of period of time, I watched everything in Hindi dub. I used to watch a lot of Hollywood stuff, mostly Hollywood stuff, even shows. But everything, whatever I watched that in English. But then came a time that it intrigued me in my mind that why don't I watch this in English? Why
So after a long time you get intrigued by this?
Yeah, it it didn't take much long time, but like whenever like I don't remember the like exact timeline when why it intrigued in my mind, why it tickled in my mind, but at the same time in the same timeline whenever it tickled in my mind, I just started at the same time like let's bro, let's fuck this
Okay,
shit, let's
so when
watch
it
this.
tickled you, you exactly
Yeah,
changed your
I didn't like I took action on that. On like I didn't take much time to why should
good
we
thing,
do
bro. I
this?
appreciate
Yeah,
that.
yeah,
Right.
yeah.
So that's how you improved your English
Yeah, no,
speaking.
I remember the timeline also, like when I did it, and what's the first thing that I watched in completely in English. There is a movie.
Yeah, which one?
It's called Shutter Island. You must
Shutter,
have-
I have heard of this,
yeah,
but
you
never
must have
watched
heard
it.
about it. It is a very good psychological thriller movie. This is directed by legendary Martin Scorsese. He is a very big name in like cinema. You ask
Okay,
me.
I don't know. I'll learn about it.
Yeah, he has also directed Taxi Driver that I told you that.
Taxi driver.
Yeah, that came out in 1976.
De Niro.
Yeah, that came out in 1976. But Shutter Island came out in 2010. He has like very big career. He's very old. He's in his 30s.
Great guy.
So I watched Shutter Island, first movie that I watched in completely English, and it had subtitles. It didn't have any subtitles on it. So that was
So-
very hard for me. I paused a lot in that movie.
Okay, so this was a very
Yeah, this was
important
the-
influence in your English speaking
Yeah,
career.
that was like cinema has been a very big impact on my whole life, but you can say it taught me a lot of English also. Shutter Island was the first movie I watched in completely in English. Then it fascinated me in a, I don't know in what way. Then I started to watch movies in English also. Nowadays I watch movies in like whenever I want because I don't. Nowadays I have like how do I say?
Nowadays, you are comfortable with speaking in
Yeah,
learning in
I understand English. I don't need subtitles as of now, so
Great.
I can watch. If I am watching some business,
You have any problem if I upload this particular video on YouTube?
why do you want to upload it on YouTube?
Done. I'm uploading this on YouTube right now.
No